friends, and welcome to lesson 79 of the First Lessons book by Julio Sagreras. I have divided the lesson into 4 sections of 4 measures each. Let's get started by preparing our left hand with finger 1 on string number 1, fret number 4, and finger 2 on string number 1, fret number 5. Let's have those 2 fingers at the same time for the moment to prepare the hand. Make sure that both fingers are in the spot that they need to be to get clear sound. Once you have that certain, lift finger number 2 a little bit and keep finger 1 pressing on string number 1. This is going to make it easier to get the ascending slur correctly. We're going to start by plucking string 6 with the thumb and 1 with the index finger. And we continue with a hammer on by finger number 2 on string number 1, fret number 5. When you do this, make sure that finger 1 remains in the same spot as it started, because we are going to need to have a descending slur, a pull-off, of finger number 2 to finger number 1. Something important to have in mind and to remember is that in descending slurs, both fingers are equally important. It's important that the finger that is doing the pull-off has a gentle downward motion, and it's also important that the finger that remains after the pull-off is steady in its position. Let's look at measure number 1 once again. Measure number 2 starts with 2 open strings, 6 and 1. We are going to take advantage of these open strings to change the position of the left hand. At the end of measure 1, we have finger 1 on string number 4. So when we pluck strings 1 and 6, we're going to move finger 1 so it is hovering fret number 2. And then we're going to do an ascending slur on string number 1, followed by a descending slur from fret number 2 to open string. Measure number 3 starts with open strings 6 and 2 at the same time, and then finger 1 goes to string number 2, fret number 2 with a hammer on. We follow with finger number 3 on string number 2, fret number 4. We pluck it with the middle finger, open first with the index finger, and then we go into measure number 4, bringing fingers 2 and 4, if possible at the same time, finger number 2 to string number 5, fret number 2, and finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 2 as well. We pluck those 2 strings with thumb and ring fingers. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 3, fret number 2, making sure to keep fingers 2 and 4 still pressing on their strings, and we pluck strings number 3 and 2 with index and middle fingers at the same time. Measure number 5 starts with finger number 2 on string number 1, fret number 5, and we're going to need finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 7. Finger number 4 is going to be doing a hammer on and then a pull off to finger number 2. Make sure that finger number 2 remains in the same spot throughout the measure. And then we're going to use finger number 2 as a guiding finger to go to fret number 2 and start measure number 6. We're going to pluck string number 1, hammer on with finger 4 on fret number 4. We pluck string number 1 and we do a pull off to finger number 2 on fret number 2. Measure number 7 starts with finger number 1 on string number 2, fret number 2, plucked with index, open first string, plucked with middle finger, finger 3 goes to string number 2, fret number 4, we pluck it with index, finger 1 goes to string number 1, fret number 2, and we pluck it with middle finger. Measure number 8 starts with open strings 6 and 2 at the same time with thumb and index fingers. As we bring finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 1, and finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2. We plug those two strings with index and middle fingers. Measures 9, 10, and 11 are an exact repetition of measures 1, 2, and 3. To play measure 12, we need to bring finger number 1 in a half bar position, pressing strings 1, 2, and 3 on fret number 2. We pluck at the same time strings 5 and 1, and then at the same time strings 3 and 2 with index and middle. Measure 13 starts with finger number 3 on string number 1, fret number 2. We pluck strings 5 and 1 at the same time with thumb and ring fingers. Finger 3 does a pull-off to string number 1 as an open string. Finger 1 goes to string number 2, fret number 1. Finger 2 goes to string number 3, fret number 2. Finger 1 goes to string number 5, fret number 2, and we pluck at the same time strings 5 and 1. String 2 as open string. As finger 4 goes to string number 1, fret number 4, we pluck it with the ring finger. Pull off to open string. We bring finger 1 and finger 4, if possible at the same time. Finger 1 to string number 4, fret number 1, and finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 2. We pluck at the same time those strings with thumb and ring fingers. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 3, fret number 2, and we pluck strings 3 and 2 at the same time with index and middle fingers. And we finish the piece by bringing finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2, and finger 1 to string number 3, fret number 1. We are going to pluck 4 strings at the same time, strings 1, 2, 3, and 4, with ring, middle, index, and thumb. And there you have it, lesson 79 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box you will find a link to a play-along video where you can practice this lesson with me at a slower tempo. And you will also find links to other resources to help you develop your guitarship and musicianship skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.